welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. CM defends toothless and draconian amendments in Lokayukta, says Lokayukta is not a judicial authority, declares CM. Lokayukta can move to High Court if competent authority fails, clears Parrikar. Government's affidavit on mining to Supreme Court to be ready by Friday. Government trying for cess money collected by the Union government for mining staff welfare. Prudent highlights the pathetic condition of primary schools and Anganwadis in Goa. Have a look at our future, struggling for basic amenities and facilities for basic need education. Murmuga police arrest one Lakshman Hanagi for outraging modesty of an 8-year-old girl. In the minor rape case, parents of primary students to go on 2-day strike from tomorrow. Police to screen each and every employee on casino before recruitment. CM assures total control over casinos exploiting Goans. Threatens to cancel licenses of vessels not cooperating the drive. Now the news in detail. This is probably the biggest U-turn by the Parrikar government. Chief Minister has made it clear that ultimately politicians will decide whether to accept or reject Lokayukta verdict. He said Lokayukta is not the judicial authority, nor is it supreme. It is just an independent investigating agency, and Anna Hazare's Andolan has given Lokayukta a larger-than-life image. His words during his media interaction were a shock to those who hoped for a powerful anti-corruption agency in the form of Lokayukta.
Appears to be some confusion on Lokayukta amendment. So I want to show them that Lokayukta amendment is not what they are thinking. Anna Hazare's agitation did a very wrong thing in making people think that Lokayukta is a final solution or Devdut. He is not. Ultimately, it is morality of the society which will prevail. Lokayukta indictment is not a final decision. It is prima facie. Lokayukta is not a judge. So, Lokayuktan sangle XYZ is guilty. Doesn't mean he go to jail. तुमची चुकीची समजूत आहे लोकायुक्ताबद्दल. He is like director vigilance with a better power and independence. For example, Lokayukta's report can be challenged in the High Court under 226 and a stay obtained like Yedurappa obtained the stay. Anti-corruption कितल्या लोकांक पैसे घेता आसतना धरतात. Because they are government departments, people fear that they will not act against political functionaries or a powerful bureaucrat. That is why Lokayukta is an instrument where there is an independence. The reason why Chief Minister and Minister may resign that is because it is constitution followed by law. A law cannot be above constitution. Therefore, it is morally put up as may resign. If I feel ashamed that Lokayukta indicted me, I will resign.
You will resign, but others may not.
No, they will not. You can't force him. Lawfully you can't. Even court can't ask him to go.
So he goes scot-free, in other words?
No.
What is the way? What
Case
is the...
chalu urtali. Controlling authority of the Chief Minister is governor. And if you get a governor like Bharadwaj or a governor of Gujarat who is acting as a agent of the central government, a deem clause cannot be accepted. That he has to give the chance to the concerned person to explain himself. Otherwise the governor by deem clause will put it on his head. So म्हणून deem clause काढला आम्ही, deem rejected केला.
Laukik Shilkar with Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured the House the affidavit on mining will be ready by Friday to submit in the Supreme Court. Chief Minister has also assured to see that confirmed employees in mining firms are not retrenched. CM said that government will try to bring the cess money collected by the central government for mining employees' welfare for the past 20 years, amounting to around 400 crores. Sangay MLA Subhash Faldesai appealed that state government should try to package part of mining revenue from central government.
एफिडेविट ड्राफ्ट कंप्लीट जाला. आयज रातचे आमी बसून ते जमताले आयचे आयज सोंपयतले, पण इन एनी कंडिशन फाल्यां भितर सोंपयतले. शुक्रारा कॅबिनेट मिटींग आपोवन दनपारच्या वेळार कॅबिनेटाचे एप्रुवल घेतले की तो ड्राफ्ट आमी सबमीट करतले. कॅबिनेटाचो एप्रुवल इतल्याच खातीर घेता आमी की सुप्रीम कोर्टाक सुद्दां आमकां दाखोवन दिवंक जाय की हे सगळे गव्हर्मेंटाचे म्हणणे आहा, हे फक्त मायन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे म्हणणे न्हय.
ज्यो मायनिंग सध्या जरी तेंचे लीज चालू ना, मायनिंग एक्टिविटी चालू ना, तेंच्यांनी खंयच्याच भुरग्यांक काडून उडोवचे न्ही.
द एम्प्लॉई अंडर मायनिंग गोज अंडर सेंट्रल लेबर कमिशनर, वास्को ऑफिसांचे, आणि त्यामुळे त्या सेसांच्यानूय पयशे मेळचे हाच्या खातीर प्रयत्न आमचो आसतलो. पण हांव एक गजाल सांगता की वील कम आउट विथ फ्लायींग कलर्स.
तांचो जे काँग्रेसीचे मेंबर प्रुडंटाचे डिबेट करता आसतना म्हणटा की हे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक तांणी 1500 कोटी रुपयांक ह्या सरकारान मनोहर पर्रीकरान एक बॅन हाडलो आनी तातूंतल्यान केल्ले आसा. म्हणटा इम्पोर्ट ड्युटी सादारण 4,500 कोटी, ताच्या नंतर जे टॅक्सीस आसा ते सगळेच मेळून 8-9 कोटी ते जोडटाले. गोंयच्या सरकारान एक सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेनय अशें कितें मागचें.
Meanwhile, CM visited the mining-dependent people agitating at Azad Maidan and informed them about the affidavit. Agitation at Azad Maidan has entered 16th day.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Is Goa government really taking care of children studying in its institutions? Is government really serious about children's security? Questions are being raised after looking at the conditions of Anganwadis and government primary schools in the state. Prudent brings to you an exclusive report on poor and unsafe conditions of the government educational institutions. Dinesh Karpe and Samir Bhatt bring to you this exclusive.
Look at the building condition of Anganwadi. This Anganwadi is from Santa Cruz. 20 children are studying here, but no electricity, no proper sanitation. As per the guideline, there should be separate kitchen facility in every Anganwadi for safety of the children, but at this Anganwadi at Santa Cruz, there is no separate kitchen. One classroom, and in the same classroom is placed tickling explosive, a LPG gas cylinder for cooking daily meal. No proper space for facility to store food quota received from Women and Child Development Department. The roof of the building is so weak, it may collapse at any time. Most shockingly, there is no toilet facility for the children. They have to go out in the open air. It makes more vulnerable, making them more insecure.
भुरगीं सकयल येता म्हणटा तांकां पळय पळय मुतोंक अशें येना. संडास कांय ना, टॉयलेट कांय ना. ही आपली कितें करता, संडास पासून जालें जाल्यार ती बाबडी घरा हाडून पायता. नळ ना कांय ना, अशें तांकां कितें तरी हें करपाक जाय न्हू अशें.
Now look at the condition of government primary school at Primar Bairao, Santa Cruz. Nearly 70 students are studying in this school. This school also lacks toilet facility. Teachers have requested the department n number of times to provide sanitation facility, but till date, no response. The roof of this building is almost on the verge of collapse. The wooden floor is totally in bad condition. Walls have developed cracks. This is the condition of Anganwadi and school at Santa Cruz, just few kilometers away from the capital city. Condition of government schools in Tiswadi were exposed after the roof of Kamrabad Government Primary School building collapsed. Now this is the Government Primary School of Naveli. Nearly 200 students are studying here, but this school also does not have toilet facility. Headmistress of the school informed that they are worried about the security of the students since they have to go out of the premises.
टॉयलेट ना, आमचे भुरगे भायर वतात उगड्याक आनी तेंच्यासाठी मातशें म्हणजे आमकां मातशें टेन्शन जाता. कित्याक सांग भुरगे भायर वता म्हणटकीर खूब वर्सां जालीं वा नाच आतां कितें जवळ जवळ कितलीं वर्सांच जालीं टॉयलेट ना आमकां.
After rape incident in Vasco, government is talking about the security of the students. Education department has also released guidelines to the heads of the schools for the safety of the students. But everything isn't well in state's own schools. Dinesh Karpe and Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.